Mieri minini mihituku supermarket cia TUSKYS ni irakoretwo ing'etheirwo ni ugwati munene wa kuhotoma bica iria turacuragirwo ni kuhingwo kwa imwe cia duka ciao matauni-ini matiganite ari ni hamwe na TUSKYS ya Eldo Center tauni-ini ya Eldoret.
TUSKYS is here to stay. TUSKYS is not going anywhere. We are here to stay and we are back in business. Some of the challenges that we have faced before, those are things that we can now say in the past. We are continually improving every day.
Thutha wa kugumirwo ni moritu kiondorita na gutara hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca na guthing'iririo kuhinga imwe cia duka ciao, supermarket ici ni icokereirie na mururumo munene ndeto iria irahithũrio ni murugamiriri wa ukuria wa biacara duka-ini cia TUSKYS John Muitereri.
We've really stocked up this store, and not only this store, but this is an exercise that we are doing across all our stores in the country. And for this reason, we are going around the counties just to ensure that we're able to relaunch and being able to convince our shoppers that we are back to back.
Akiaria hedi ya kuruguria weru TUSKYS ya Malindi, Muitereri augite mari na honge 55 guothe bururi-ini na mari na itanya inene ria kuongerera wendia wao kuri hau kabere, akiuga ni marĩkĩtie kuongerera thitoko honge-ini cia Kisumu, Eldoret, Kisii, Mombasa na Nairobi.
We should not be able to see any other retailer go down. And for this reason, with their support, with the support of our customers, with the support of our employees, we are sure that we shall be able to go ahead and also able to overcome the few challenges that could be remaining here and there.
Oho Muitereri augite matungirwo ni igutha inene riria king'uki gia COVID kaingirire guku bururi-ini, akiuga wendia wao ni wacokire thĩ kumana na andu aingĩ kũbutwo wĩra na makiria akiuga duka cia Kilifi na Malindi ni ciahutirio na njĩra nene thutha wa namba ya agendi gũcoka thĩ.
When you look at retail business in terms of some key expenditures, talk of rent, talk of staff salaries, these are constant. And when the disposable income happens and there is less spending, of course, a business tends to shake a bit.
Ona gukiri uguo augite ona thengia wa kuongerera thitoko, duka iria irahingĩtwo no iguthie na mbere na kuhingwo kwa ihinda, indi akauga mari na kioneki kinene gia gucokereria haria mari mbere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mũringi wa Ngure.